Hello, you all lovely people. Thank you very much for all the support. I really appreciate it. Alright, today I'm here to cook one of the seafood. I've learned this one during my studies and training in Switzerland. It's mussels in a creamy sauce. Stay tuned, guys. Hope you guys are going to enjoy it. Thank you. Alright guys, let's start cooking. What we're gonna do is we're gonna clean the mussels first. So what I'm doing is I've got a pot. I'm gonna put some water with some white vinegar in it, and then I'm gonna give it a quick boil, and that should be fine. Got the water in. Gonna add a splash of vinegar, and then gonna add the mussels in. You just need to wait until you see boiling, and that should be fine. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna strain them and keep it aside. There you go. As you can see, you have a boil there, and that should be good. Switch off. Then we're gonna strain the mussels. There you go. Nicely done. Clean. Let's start with the sauce. A bit of olive oil. Got lemongrass, sliced ginger and sliced garlic. This is the flavor which we're gonna get for the sauce now. Very simple and easy recipe, guys, and it's gonna be very tasty. Some red chilies. Just saute them for a while until the oil gets all the flavors. Some spring onions. You can also add sliced onions, but I prefer spring onions. It's already looking very colorful. Pepper and salt as per your taste. Give it a nice mix. Just add a splash of water, and then just wait until a quick boil. And then gonna add cream. This is fresh cream, guys. It's a double cream. Gonna give it a nice mix. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna simmer it. Okay, we're not supposed to do on a high heat, and then wait until a quick boil. There you go, guys. And then just add the mussels. Just make sure all the mussels are placed well, evenly, spread them evenly, and give it one more quick boil. 2-3 minutes or 5 minutes max, and that should be fine. Just remember one thing, guys. If the mussels are not open, we're just gonna discard them. We're not gonna eat them, okay? And now we're gonna move on to the side. I've got a panini bread. You can have a French loaf as well. Cut them into slices, and then add some butter and toast the bread. That's it. And once done, nicely done, toasts are ready, and now ready to serve. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you very much, guys.